Hey guys, this is Evan from EzOrigami, and today I'll be teaching you how to cut a bronze rectangle from a square. All you need to do is prepare a single square sheet of paper. And for some background, a bronze rectangle is simply a rectangle with a dimension ratio of 1/√3. And it's used as a starting shape for lots of origami designs that are based on 30-degree angles, such as the binary star or the star Joyvhel. And it's also an interesting shape because if you divide it into thirds, you end up with 3 smaller bronze rectangles. So once you've prepared your square sheet of paper, then we're going to start by folding in half vertically. So take this right edge and fold it over to the left edge. Align the corners and the edges. Then make your crease. And then you can unfold. And now we're going to align this bottom right corner with the vertical crease that we just made. So we're going to do that by pulling this bottom right corner over to the left, just like this. And as you're doing this, you also want to make sure that this colored edge comes to a point at this bottom left corner here. So you might have to slightly adjust the paper, just like this, so that this colored corner on top is aligned with the vertical crease as well. And once this edge is aligned in both places, then you can make your crease all the way across. And then you can unfold. Then we're going to rotate the paper 90 degrees so that the crease you just created now extends from this bottom right corner. And now we're going to make a vertical crease extending from this point here where the crease that we just made intersects with this top edge. And we're going to do that by pulling the left side of the paper over to the right. And you just want to pull it over slowly until you reach this point here where you notice that diagonal crease intersecting with the top edge. Once you've reached that point, then you can make a small pinch mark on the top edge. And then you just want to make sure that the layers on the top and the bottom of the model are aligned. Then you can make your crease all the way across. And then you can unfold. And now you can see that our square is divided into 2 rectangles. This larger one on the right has a dimension ratio of 1/√3, so this is our bronze rectangle. So if you'd like, you can simply cut along this vertical crease to separate the 2 rectangles. Or if you'd like to create a bronze rectangle without all of these additional pre-creases, that's pretty easy to do as well. And to do that, you're going to use this square as a folding tool, and you'll need to prepare another square of the exact same size. So from here we're going to use this existing vertical crease, and we're simply going to fold the left side of the model over to the right. Just like that. And now you can take your second square of the exact same size, and you're going to slide it in between the 2 layers of the folding tool by pushing it over to the left as far as it'll go. And you want to push it over until the left side of your square aligns with the colored edge of the folding tool here. Then you want to pull over the right side of your second square, and you want to make a crease along this white vertical edge underneath. So you just want to align your new square with the white edge of the folding tool underneath. And at the same time, you want to make sure that the horizontal layers on the top of the model are aligned as well. Once everything is aligned, then you can make your crease all the way across. Then you can pull your square outside of the folding tool, and you can put the folding tool aside. And then you can unfold so that you're back to the original square. Again, you'll see that your square is divided into 2 rectangles, and this time we're going to cut along this vertical crease. And now you're left with 2 rectangles. Then you can put the smaller rectangle aside, and then you'll be left with your bronze rectangle, which has a dimension ratio of 1/√3. I hope you've enjoyed this video tutorial on how to cut a bronze rectangle from a square. There are lots of origami designs that start off with a bronze rectangle, like the binary star designed by Xander Perrott, and the star Joyvhel designed by Alphonsus Nonog. So definitely check out my video tutorials for those designs here. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear what you think. And of course, subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.